What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? Going live at Tampa International Airport. Straight up stoked, right? Heading to my place in Puerto Rico. Gonna go hang out there for a week or so, and we're gonna have some crazy shenanigans going on. Me and my business partner.
Man, it's the Ville. We got civilians in the hills, on the streets, in the trap, on the beach. Dealerships worth a few million each. Random folks that'll take pictures with you, say cheese. Music City represent, talking whip out.
Please subscribe and hit the bell. When you do, we're going to send you our $297 Promo Riches course completely for free, so you can learn how to make money online from anywhere. Plus, you'll qualify for our weekly cash giveaways, free prizes, and more free training. So hit that subscribe button now.
Right? So anyway, what I need you guys to do right now, I need you guys to go over to the Jedi group, Jedi Entrepreneurs, and check it out. We are kicking ass and taking names, right? Kicking ass and taking names, ranking #1 on Google for some crazy ass keywords. And we did it all within an hour, and we're showing you guys our complete case study on this. On top of that, right? Our students are hammering the same results, hitting up Google, getting on page 1 through 3 rankings on page 1 for some crazy keywords. And with regards to that, right, they did it in like an hour. Guys, you need to head over there right now. Head over there, check out, Jason's got a post going right now. It's a viral post. Go ahead, right? Everybody's looking at me like I'm crazy, right? He's loco. Right, but head on over there. Right, we're getting some crazy rankings on Google 1 through 3. And I want you guys, right? I'm not trying to, right? In fact, I don't even want you guys like to ask what it is. I want you guys to go see what the case study is first and see our students as well getting the same exact results. So head on over there, Jedi Entrepreneurs Group. Jason Tibbetts has a post going right now. It's a viral post. And with regards to that, just go ahead, say hook me up, right? The Monday hookup. I don't know what it is. Kind of crazy. He does his Monday hookup thing. And what you guys need to do is check that out. Ask him just to see the case results so you can get in on what's going on and take a look here. And other than that, guys, I got to head out. I think I might be getting ready to board. Who knows? But we got some craziness going on this week coming at you from Puerto Rico. Boom. Right? So we'll see you there. I'm going to get on this plane flight here. Going to get over there. Probably going to be late. It always is. So no big deal. Other than that, peace out, guys. We'll talk to you soon.
Man, it's the Ville. We got civilians in the hills, on the streets, in the trap, on the beach. Dealerships worth a few million each. Random folks that'll take pictures with you, say cheese. Music City represent, talking whip out.
Please subscribe and hit the bell. When you do, we're going to send you our $297 Promo Riches course completely for free, so you can learn how to make money online from anywhere. Plus, you'll qualify for our weekly cash giveaways, free prizes, and more free training. So hit that subscribe button now.